Next, I will show an example of simplifying a trigonometric expression of certain type that frequently appears in calculus. In the example, I'm going to follow this procedure. So let's simplify the following expression. First, let's introduce theta by labeling everything inside parentheses as theta. The original expression is now very simple in terms of theta. What do we know about theta? From its definition, we know the domain of theta, and we can produce the following statement. Next, let's recall the definitions of both trigonometric functions, cosecant and cotangent. Now we can draw a reference triangle with theta in standard position and label the adjacent side as 7 and the opposite side as 5. Now we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side. And finally, we can plug in the opposite and hypotenuse into the formula for the original expression. So we simplified it. We simplified the given trigonometric expression, so the problem is complete.